Meaning of fleet.
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 Fleet. Fleet can have multiple meanings, but it is commonly used to refer to a group of vehicles or ships that operate together for a specific purpose. This can include military fleets, commercial shipping fleets, or even a fleet of taxis or rental cars. In a more general sense, the term can also be used to describe a group of people or things with a common characteristic or purpose. Regardless of the context, the key defining feature of a fleet is that it consists of multiple units working in tandem towards a shared goal.